I don't think that it affected the shipping route from Manila to Iloilo right now. I don't think that the West Philippine Sea is an issue now for our domestic shipping at all.
Pero yung advice nyo na lang po ng PCG to Iloilo fishermen, if meron po silang ma-encounter na mga foreign vessels sa exclusive economic zone po natin.
Well, we have been directed by the President, President Bongbong Marcos, to make sure that we're going to deploy strategically our Coast Guard vessels in those areas that are known to be traditional fishing ground. And we have already identified that in the West Philippine Sea. So every time we monitor a large number of Filipino fishing fleet entering the West Philippine Sea, we deploy our Coast Guard vessels in coordination with the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. Just like last week, the Coast Guard, together with BFAR, monitored a large number of 26 Filipino fishing boats that went to BDM, and that compelled the Coast Guard to deploy 2 Coast Guard vessels and 4 BFAR vessels. Their fishing expedition was completed in a matter of 3 to 4 days. On the part of the Coast Guard, we were there to ensure that they're not going to be harassed, to provide them security and safety. On the part of BFAR, they have distributed fuel subsidy and even food packs for them to prolong their stay in Baguio.
Sa Western Visayas po, may mga areas po tayo na malapit sa Palawan. That includes yung Kaluya and also our top tourist destination, yung Boracay, medyo malapit po. So meron po bang ikakabahala yung mga turista po natin dito sa Western Visayas po?
Again, I don't think that any area in Western Visayas can be a concern with our issue in the West Philippines. It's pretty much still too far from the issue in the West Philippines. As I said, even before the Chinese maritime forces would enter your closest island or coastal community, it has to pass through the territorial seas of Coron and El Nido, and that has never happened even before.
All right, thank you.